Hey everyone, my name is Sasha Sedenko. I'm a product engineer at Summit Technology Laboratory, where we focus on automating the whole projection mapping pipeline. So traditionally, to do projection mapping, you would have to put up grids and then manually adjust them until you get your displays to fit non-standard shapes. So what we have here is a football with 6 projectors around it, creating a 360-degree display. There are 2 different projector models in there. We are hardware agnostic. We work with any projector. The same software here is also calibrating the room that we have in the back with 4 projectors. The projectors there are positioned at very grazing angles, which is normally avoided for traditional projection mapping. But since this is software, it doesn't care. So we are a purely software solution. We aren't selling any hardware, no proprietary cameras or projectors. We're just trying to make projection mapping easier and accessible to larger audiences. So we're based in Irvine, California, www.summittechlab.com. Thank you very much.